Right. Hello, here we are on Azura. I'm going to do a cabin tour, but before that we want to recommend these outside cabins here on P deck on Azura. And basically there's the Atrium, which is the heart of the ship right there, and then this way is just the gallery. So in terms of noise, going through there's the gallery. In terms of noise, there really isn't any, so it's a fabulous place to be really. You can get access to all areas of the ship, and this is our cabin. So I'm just going to show you. There you go, P316, and my card's red, which is perfect, and it's still red. Oh shit. Yes, we're in. Right. So we come in, first thing you see when you come in the cabin is you have the wardrobe and the safe, which is standard issue on P&O. We go in the bathroom. You've got the dreaded shower curtain, which you have on some P&O ships. Britannia has a glass door, which is much nicer, but you know, it is what it is. It's a comfortable bathroom. It has everything you need, basically. I'll just pan down there so you can see the loo. It has one. There we go. We're going to the next part of the ship. So plenty of space in there. You've got plenty of hanging space. Life jackets up on the top there. And then basically you have a big mirror here, which I'm not going to stand in front of because I hate the reflection. And as you come into the room, we have our room set up as twins. And the reason is you've got so much more floor space. And it's just better for that. And then if you look around the room, of course you've got the beds. You've got a nice big window there, and outside the window today we have Morella's Discovery, which is important. We saw that come in this morning. We're here in Stavanger, by the way, so I'm going to just getting myself in there. Hello, that's me. And you can see the rest of the room. Nice big mirror, plenty of space. The one on the left over here, I'm going to show you anyway, don't need to, but if I just move this chair out of the way, you have the fridge, which I put the camera down lower as I didn't do last time. Then oops, a glass of wine already waiting for me. And you have the usual things, telephone, UK plugs. In this cupboard here is everything we took out of the minibar, let your cabin steward know so you don't get charged for that. And there's a hairdryer behind there if you want to use one, and don't bring your own, as some people do, like my missus. So that's that, and this is pretty much it. This is pretty much the room that we're in, and we think it's really good. If you don't always want to do a balcony, because inside's out for us, we found it a bit claustrophobic on Britannia, a bit dark and dingy. Nice enough, but if you're going to stay out and just sleep in it. But if you actually want to spend any time in your room at all, we obviously prefer a nice balcony or something like that. Who wouldn't? But this is a great alternative. It's in a great part of the ship. It's midship, and it's on deck 5, so it's quite low down. It doesn't shake around much in bad seas, high seas. It's just nice and stable all the time. It's not noisy here. You're near the gallery, you're near the atrium. You can get straight out and to anywhere on the ship really quickly, and get off the ship really quickly and all on port days. So it's pretty much ideal. So we'd hope you like this bit of the video. Thank you. Bye bye.